Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to download files from ChatGPT. So to start, go ahead and search for ChatGPT, then sign into your account. Now once signed in, open the conversation that contains the file. So go to the left side and look for the conversation, then select that. So locate the file attachment in ChatGPT's message. Click the file name. So click the file name or the download button usually appears when you hover over the file or open it. So click on that. So the file will download automatically to your browser's downloads folder, or it will prompt you to choose a safe location depending on your browser settings. So mine is, as you can see, it download automatically. So I can just click on open file and see the file on my device. And that's basically it. So that's how you can download files from ChatGPT. Now, if you want to download images, you can also go to library. Then at the top, you can choose images or files. So you can also download your files from here. You can also download the images. So click on images and hover over to the image and click the three dots right here and just click on download to download it. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.